Hi guys, this is Mima and welcome sa ating mini vlog. So we're here with Jessa. Ayan siya. So add niyo po and like and follow po ninyo ang kanyang page down below. Ayan siya. So dito kami ngayon sa Team Hortons kasi magkakaroon kami ng AYS meeting exclusive with the members or mga Niyipiners natin. So ang maganda kasi doon, kasama natin yung mismong CEO and COO ng NNT. Ayan siya. Nakakatuwa lang kasi sobrang hands-on din talaga ng ating management and they really wanted to guide and also prosper yung mga newpreneurs natin, sharing the learnings, sharing those things na natutunan nila, how they build the company and also the business itself. Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi part ako ng community na to and gosh, ang dami talagang learning. So, if you're one of the people that you're looking for the right business and right people to join, so check mo tong community na to and sure ako magugustuhan mo kung paano yung culture ng AYS. So, ayan siya. Samahan niyo ako and let's go.